I've been a customer with Honda Fort Worth for about 4 years now. I purchased my first vehicle was a 2013 Honda Accord. I saw it online, so I came in just kind of checking it out. Didn't have really any intentions to buy it that day. Dustin, my sales rep, he was very friendly, walked me through it, didn't pressure me into any decision. He worked with me, was patient, and he helped me purchase my first vehicle. When I was looking for a new car, I was thinking something realistic, so I was going between Hondas and Toyotas because I just had a Corolla beforehand. I was just kind of scrolling on different Honda websites, and this one popped up in the used vehicles, and it had low mileage, good pricing and everything. So I just came and checked it out, and that's how I became a loyal customer. Advisors, when I come get my maintenance and everything, they've all been great. I'm currently working with Randall, and I've worked with many other ones in the past. I refer many people. I said, come on down to Honda. They'll hook you up. You can get in something new. Stop in and take your time, look around. They have some really good cars and choices in a good price range.